Reece Many here, CEO of Hunter Jones Group, here at the Hand Polo Club. It's our 10th year anniversary, having a fantastic day. Thanks for your continued support. I'd like to thank my team that's been with us through this journey and people that are still on this journey with myself. I'm looking forward to another 10 years supporting investors and working with investors, because without our investors, we're not where we are today. So thank you very much.